Happy Thursday, everyone. Two quick bits of news to announce today in this week's update. First up is the Hackathon. The event is now finished and the winners have been selected. Now, there were 4 awards in first place, 7 in second place, and third place saw 5 awarded projects. Now, we covered each project in the last video, so do check that out for more detail on the individual submissions. First place winners were Kawaii Battle Royale, the no-loss team-based first-person shooter; Vergenet, the zkSNARKS-based scalable and secure provers and verifiers for the Eth Harmony Horizon bridge; LendingSwap, an atomic swap protocol; and SeeForex, a currency exchange for trading fiat tokens at market price. Second place went to LegalAge, GitMony, OpenFi, SwoopDex, token rewards distribution, Binance US Harmony API dApp, and the Eth Honey. And finally, the third place prizes went to the Augur port, the Node.js CLI for Harmony Rosetta endpoints, Bet to Win 2x, the Harmony Rosetta Python CLI, and the Harmony Explorer. Thanks once again to everyone who took part and to all the participant judges and prize partners. The hackathon was indeed a great success. Now, our second piece of news is that Harmony is partnering with Travala.com, the world's leading crypto-friendly travel booking platform. The One token will be integrated as a form of payment, making it available for bookings at over 2,200,000 hotels, 600 plus airlines, and 400,000 activities in over 230 countries. Full integration of the One token on the Travala.com platform will be completed by early Q2 2021. And that's it from me. Enjoy the rest of your day.